Namaste. Tridosha Nivaran. I have a predominantly Kapha Dosha, which means my body produces excess of phlegm. And there was a time when the phlegm production was so bad that there was a lot of difficulty with breathing. Doctor diagnosed me with a COPD condition. But with all the breath work that I do, the Shwas Shuddhi Kriya, etc., I managed to reduce the cough portion. However, reducing the cough did not mean that the body was not producing cough. It was still producing cough. And one day I wondered, why couldn't my breath help me with my Kapha Dosha problem as well? It's come in useful. It's given me cures in a sense for so many different things, and I thought there must be a way that even the Kapha Dosha can be balanced or at least reduced. And would you believe that came almost automatically? One day a thought came to my mind, a certain clarity came to my mind. See, in Ayurveda the three doshas are based on the understanding of tattvas: Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash. It is these tattvas which are imbalanced, and then the Tridosha imbalance starts, or the problem starts there. So based on this understanding, because I had a Kapha Dosha, it meant that there was an excess of Prithvi and Jal, water and earth content in my breath or in my system and so on. And I needed to balance that. So all I did was I started breathing in a way that increased my fire in my system. And the Kapha Dosha Nivaran Kriya is going to be about this. It will explain how you can do it. But the problem is, it's a very subtle breath. It's not as if I can tell you, breathe like this and you'll increase your fire content. It's not as simple as that. There is a system you've got to follow. Go a little deeper into that. Connect with that subtle breath that happens sometimes. Usually, when the sushumna is open and active, it's easier to access that subtle breath. And that is what we will learn in the Kapha Dosha Nivaran Kriya, which will also be part of the Tridosha Balancing Kriya. But the focus for now is going to be on the Kapha Dosha, because that has come out of my personal experience. And I would say it's almost 90% down, 95% down. And I've written about that in some of my articles and pieces. So if this interests you and you want to balance this Kapha Dosha in your body, please do connect with me, sign up for the program and get in touch with me. My numbers you can find on my numbers and my website details you can find on the social media and also elsewhere. Get in touch with me. You know, my name is Rajesh Kanoi and my website is Shwas Shakti. So please do connect with me.